Hi, I'm Dr. Robert Chaffe. I'm a dentist based in London, and today I'm really excited to get to see the ChairsideCAD Galway for the first time. And it's really excellent stuff because you can incorporate your scan really easy, your intraoral digital scan, whether it's an iTero, whatever scan you use. I just use iTero because I do lots of things with it. But you can use whatever scan you like, and it just incorporates everything really synergistically, simply, quickly to our computer. So now we have our scan. We've done our crown preparation. We've scanned it on our scanner, and now we're ready to design it to produce our onlay. So what we then do is we select our information. So we've got our patient over here. We then select what we're doing. So it's our tooth number, upper left 6, so 26, and that's highlighting that we're going to design the onlay. Now all of this selection criteria here has been pre-chosen on your intraoral scan already. So we're going to do an inlay onlay. This is the material we use, but you have all these other options, so you can choose whichever one that you like. You've pre-selected your shade, and all the safety features are here already built in. And then we just click OK when we're happy with all of that. So now our next job is to design it. So let's click design. So now our scan has been incorporated onto the computer. And here we can see they're building up the file. Our margins have already been pre-selected. So on our intraoral scan, you select where your crown margins are. And here they're just shown for us. What we can do is we can have a look closely at our prep. Make sure that it's nice, neat, tidy, that the insertion, path of insertion is going to be okay. That all looks really nice. So then what we do is we click next and we're happy. Okay, cool. So using this amazing sort of intuitive technology, it designs automatically our onlay. We can also choose from our tooth library the type and shape of crown that you like. So they have all these different designs. And you can choose whichever one that you fancy. But we just go with the automatic one because it looks very good so far. Then what we can do is we can change our morphology based upon what it looks like. So we can have a look at it from the side and make sure that it's not sticking in too much, not too intruded. We can look at it laterally as well in a second, just to make sure that, again, that it's not anyway incorrectly designed. We can check the contact, and then you can play with it as much as you like really until you're happy with the shape, happy with your contact, happy with your morphology. And check it with the adjacent tooth. And then when you're happy, you click next. Perfect. So while this is generating, the reason it just takes a few seconds is that it's just automatically adapting it to the margin. So the changes that you made previously, it automatically updates it. So then now you can kind of have another cross-check of everything again when you can smoothen things over. So think, okay, that looks a little bit lumpy on this side. So we can just smoothen it along here. We can look at it from the occlusal perspective as well. There we go. And once you're kind of happy, you click next. Okay, and here is in-CAD nesting. So this is when we choose the last little section of when we would send everything off to our milling machine. And we would just choose whichever block that we have. Let me select that. And it then puts the block onto the model. So we can move around our tooth in the block and have a little check of everything. And it looks like it's ready to design our lovely onlay. And send it to the milling machine, and it will all be perfect.